Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you the text indent, letter spacing, line height, word spacing, text alignment and etc. So why getting late? Let's get started. First I'm starting with letter spacing. I'm choosing this div and not div, this h1 tag, and I'm giving it 10 pixel. You can easily see the letter spacing. For line height, or I'm just taking the lorem's 200 words, 200 or 150 words. It's enough. So I'm giving it an ID or class. I'm giving it the class name indent. So line height. Oops, sorry. With that type-in. Line height, I'm giving it 30 pixel. Now you guys understand the line height. I'm deleting it. Word spacing. In the pixel. This is the distance between two words. And text indent. What is text indent? I'm showing you right now. Text indent 50 pixel. You can see a para here. The text indent works just here. I'm using it 100 pixel. Now you can understand clearly. So this is the work of text indent. And now I'm choosing the line text alignment. You can set it left. It's already on left and right. This is right. And if you just wanna make it justified, it's justified. See? So we'll continue in our next video. Thank you.